eggs.
What are we doing? Are we taking pictures?
Taking pictures of eggs.
Of eggs, yeah. So, what colors are this one? What colors do you see? What color is this? Is this green?
Green.
And what color is this? Purple?
Purple.
Green and purple egg. And what else do we have here? We have a yellow egg. We got one with a smiley face. We got this one. What do you think, Porter? What do you think of this egg?
Right there.
And then what else do we have? This one?
Okay.
This one is very cool.
Well, over there.
Over there.
Ooh,
Be careful. Whoa. And what about this one? Got some really interesting blue eggs.
Thank you.
You're welcome. With some dots on them and stuff. Porter, can you say, Happy Easter? Can you say Happy Easter?